Okay, my package came in the mail. This is my body filler. Okay, you get all this right here, including this right here, little sponge. Okay, I put something on the other side to try to hold it right here, and I'm gonna try to apply some of this body putty on here to try to fill this area in right here. Okay, I'm gonna apply it with this right here and mix it up. Use this right here to apply it with. Okay, I went ahead and applied it. This stuff is drying pretty fast. So it's about 70, 80 degrees out here today. So trying to do the best I can with it. Okay, let it sit. Okay, I went all around it with my finger here, and I still have some rough spots, especially right up here in the middle. So the glazing or the spot putty will smooth all that out. Okay, here's the glazing that I'm going to be using right here. Thought I'd show it to you. So I'm go ahead and apply it and finish getting out the ding and the hairline cracks in it. Okay, this stuff dries fast, so you have to work fast. You have to kind of work quick with it. Okay, I've already applied it, and this stuff dries pretty fast. I'm gonna let it set. Probably let it sit overnight. I done fit in most of the spots. I might have to apply it again, but I see it's done filled up most of the shallow places or the hairline cracks and the little indentations that I had in the middle. So I'm gonna let it dry, then I'm gonna start sanding it. Okay, I'm using this Bondo glazing and spot putty. It fills pinholes, cracks, minor dings, and hairline cracks. Okay, you can use it on metal, wood, fiberglass, and sanded primer and paint. Okay, my rear bumper here is fiberglass. See how flexible that is? So I got some minor flaws around the edges, but it's really just a ding right here in the middle that I'm trying to fill up. But this Bondo is the right thing that you're supposed to use. It says right here, stage 2. I've already put on you put this on the filler. So I've already put on my body filler, so this is stage 2. Okay, go ahead and clean it real good. Get all the impurities and dirt and everything that's on this right here. Get it off just like that right there before I put the primer on, because I got it smoothed down as much as I want, and by tacking it, it'll help the primer hold on to the fiberglass better, and it'll hold better that way. So it pulls it off just like that. Okay, I got everything cleaned up, got my area cleaned up, got everything prepped and taped off, and I got my etching primer that I'm going to use. So I'm getting ready to put on my first coat. Alright, here I go. First coat. Okay, this is my third and final coat. There you go. Alright. Looks pretty good. Okay, I got my respirator ready. Always be safe and use a respirator when applying spray paint in your car, and protect yourself. Okay, there we go. Okay, here's cut number one. Okay. Okay, here goes coat number two. Okay. Okay, here goes the third coat. Okay, it's been about a week, and I'm going to do a final review on my paint. I have good news and I have bad news. So let's go over the bad news first. The area that I was sanding did not get as flat as it should be. Okay, and I used this regular sandpaper. I sanded by hand. Should have used one of these right here, a sanding block, or either a hand orbiter. But I thought that sanding with just regular sandpaper, doing it by hand, would be enough, but it wasn't. But that's okay, because it's just barely noticeable, and they came out pretty good right here. You noticed right here. Okay, the good news. Let's get to the good news. The good news is that the paint, this is the paint right here. It blended well. Okay, it takes 12 hours for this paint to dry and 30 days to fully cure. So it blended well. It looks pretty good. It's good high quality paint. So I'm pretty happy with that. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. And if you like my videos, just like and subscribe for more videos.